Do you ever buy pre-sliced sashimi from the supermarket? Or perhaps you've prepared a large fish but couldn't use it all, leaving it to deteriorate over time. Fish muscle contains about 70 to 80% water. During processing, some of this moisture escapes, leading to a fishy smell and dull flavors as time passes. Similarly, when frozen fish is thawed, cell membranes break, causing internal moisture to seep out as a drip, impacting both texture and flavor. In this video, we'll show you a simple trick to instantly improve the quality of fish by adjusting its moisture content. Prepare a fillet such as tuna. Sprinkle salt evenly over the surface, using about 1% of the fish's weight. Let it rest in the refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes. This works through osmosis. Water moves from areas of low salt concentration to areas of high concentration to balance out. For example, in our previous video on preparing salmon roe, we used the salt water solution to prevent moisture from entering the roe. Here, the process is reversed. Salt is applied to draw moisture out of the fish. Place the fish on a tray with a rack, or tilt the tray slightly to prevent the extracted moisture from being reabsorbed. Once ready, rinse the fish lightly under water to remove any remaining salt. Pat it dry with paper towels and it's done. The result? Firmer texture, concentrated umami, and improved flavor. If the fish gets too salty, you can adjust it using a technique called Tate-jio, or a salt removal bath. This involves soaking the fish in a mild salt water solution, about 1% concentration, for around 30 seconds. The lower salt concentration of the solution gently draws out the excess salt. While plain water can achieve the same effect, it's not recommended as the sudden concentration difference may also extract the fish's natural umami. This method also works for over-salted vegetables like pickles. The second method involves immersing the fish in a saltwater solution known as Tate-jio, or a brine bath. If the fish has already been sliced into small pieces, sprinkling salt directly may draw out moisture too quickly, resulting in dryness. Instead, prepare a saltwater solution with 3 to 5% concentration and ice. Submerge the fish for about 10 minutes. This method distributes salt evenly while gently removing excess moisture. Since the fish is submerged, it also washes away fishy odors and excess fat. Pat the fish dry with paper towels to complete the process. The methods introduced here both utilize the difference in osmotic pressure of salt to regulate the moisture content of the ingredients. Salt curing involves sprinkling salt directly onto the surface, allowing it to quickly and effectively draw out moisture. This process firms up the flesh and enhances the absorption of flavors, making it a useful pretreatment also for techniques like vinegar curing, kombu curing, or smoking. Additionally, the slight saltiness that penetrates the ingredient adds depth and creates a flavorful accent. On the other hand, the brine bath uses a lower salt concentration, making it a simple method focused solely on removing excess moisture. It leaves almost no saltiness behind and serves as an immediate finishing touch to adjust the texture and flavor right before serving. Choose the method based on the condition of the ingredient and the purpose of the preparation. Subscribe the channel for the series of professional tutorials and more practical ideas.